Jodhpur, one of the largest districts of Rajasthan state, is currently situated in western arid region of the state. It covers 11.60% of total area of arid zone in the state. Famine, long dry spells, windstorm and high temperature during summer and very low temperature during winter, low and erratic rainfall are common climatic characteristics of the area. The farmers of the villages depend on rain-fed kharif crops cultivation and livestock rearing for livelihood. High sand percentage, low organic matter and water holding capacity are also major constraints of the village. To address these climate vulnerabilities, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR) launched the National Initiative on Climate Resilient Agriculture project in the year 2011. The NICRA project is jointly steered by the NRM and Extension Division of ICAR. The NICRA project is coordinated at the national level by the Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture (CRIDA). The program is coordinated by ATARI at the zonal level. The technology demonstration component of National Initiative on Climate Resilient Agriculture was started at Krishi Vigyan Kendra, CAZRI Jodhpur on 15th March 2011. KVK Jodhpur selected 2 villages under this project. The first village, Purkhawas, was selected in the year 2011, while the another adjoining village, Lunavas Khara, was selected in the year 2016.
Agriculture is the main source of livelihood, but animal husbandry is equally important and more stable and require lesser investment. Monsoon is a very erratic and frequent occurrence of drought, and scarcity is the common features. Jodhpur has a vast arid plain type climatic zone with 3 seasons, namely Kharif, Rabi and Monsoon. There seems to be a great effect of frequent drought condition on cropping pattern. Both bean and bajra are main rain-fed crops and their share is highest in Kharif season. Animal husbandry is the main profession of the people, and the further requirement of the animal husbandry is met by these crops. The other important crops are pulses with mung bean, moth bean are grown as a mixed crop with cereals. Til is an important oilseed crop of Kharif season, while mustard, locally called raida, is a main oilseed crop of Rabi season.
The NICRA interventions cover 4 modules. Module first is Natural Resources Management. This module consists of interventions related to soil moisture conservation, water harvesting and recycling for supplemental irrigation and water saving irrigation methods.
Under NRM module, KVK focused on tank silt application and summer deep plowing for soil moisture conservation. Compost production technology for improvement of soil fertility, and due to this intervention, water holding capacity of soil was also increased. Therefore, the drought effect on crop was reduced.
Module second, Crop Production. This module consists of short duration and drought tolerant varieties, integrated disease management, advancement of planting dates of kharif crops in areas with terminal heat stress, location-specific intercropping systems with high sustainable yield index.
KVK has conducted demonstration of pulp millet using variety MPMS-17 that is high yielding, drought resistant and early maturing variety. These varieties are adopted by the farmers last 5 years. KVK has also conducted the crop mung bean variety using variety IPM2-3. These varieties have green color or also giving higher yield at the farmers field. Farmers are using this variety last 2 years. We have also conducted in Rabi cumin variety GC4 that is drought resistant variety and high yielding variety also resistant to other diseases. KVK has also conducted the bed orchard that is using variety Gola, Seb, Umran. Farmers are adopting these varieties or getting higher yield.
पश्चिमी राजस्थान में बरसात बहुत कम है, इन वास्ते फसल सही भागती नहीं है। पिछला 10 साल में काजरी को संपर्क करियो, केवीके रे मार्फत वैज्ञानिकों को सलाह ली और उनके कहना अनुसार बीज बोना शुरू करियो। मैं MPMS-17 और 100 RSP 177 बीज कौम में लाऊं। आप फसल है जो मीडियम साइज हूँ, हितरू 75 दिन में पाकने वाली है। इन वास्ते इनमें बरसात भी कम चाहिए और चारों भी ज़्यादा मिले और बाजरी की पैदावार भी बहुत अच्छी बढ़ गई मोरे।
हमारे यहाँ जीरारी पहले थोड़ी समस्या आती साहब, कृषि विभाग के अंदर से यहाँ आता था मतलब डॉक्टर लोग, तो उन्होंने मैं सलाह ली भाई हमारे यहाँ जीरारी समस्या है, तो फिर जाने जमीन जांच करवाई तो क्या इसमें ट्राइकोडर्मा आप बीज उपचार करवाओ। तो मैं ट्राइकोडर्मा मेरे को काजरी वाला ने दिया सर, और मैं उससे बीज उपचार करके जीरा बोया तो मेरे को बहुत फायदा मिला।
Module 3rd is livestock. This module consists of breed improvement, use of improved feed storage methods, preventive vaccination, and improved shelters for reducing heat stress in livestock.
KVK ICAR-CAZRI working under the NICRA-TDC programs in 2 villages of Lunavas and Purkavas. In these villages, for the improvement of the animal productions, we are working on the breed improvement, feed and fodders, and especially for the management practices is housing. Under the feed and fodder improvement, this area is a dry region in western Rajasthan. We demonstrate the azola feeding to the animals for the improvement of the milk production as well as the cyclicity of the animals. After feeding of the azola, animals comes in heat in times and production increases 5 to 10%. For the scientific housing, we demonstrate the east-west regions housing system established in our villages, and we found that in that particular designs were created by the KAZRI scientist. In this scientific housing, animals milk production increases 5% as well as animals are feel comfortable positions. The milk production as well as the comfortable position, animal reproductive cycle is regularity is sustained. And third thing, we are giving the demonstration on breed improvement. In cattle, we give the bull Tharparkar breed and buffalo bulls of Murrah and goat Siroi buck we distribute. After the distribution, the result is very efficient, and animals are true to the breed, and farmer get the incomes more in comparative to non-descriptive breeds. And time to time we organize the health camp, infertility camps, and after the intervention of the mineral mixers and heat energy capsules, animals show the heat symptoms and they are conceived and farmer get incomes regularly. These practices will help in futures to improve the productivity of the animals for the betterment of the farmer. These practices are continuous, still continuous, or farmer are very happy to adopt all the practices related to animal science.
हमारे यहाँ गर्मियों में राजस्थान में क्या हरा चारा नहीं मिल पाता है, इसके लिए हमने केवीकी के तरफ से उन्होंने ये अजोला घास लगवाया है। अजोला घास हम पशुओं को खिलाते हैं, तो बाटे के साथ में मिला के 1-1.5 किलो सुबह 1-1.5 किलो शाम को दोनों टाइम खिलाते हैं, जिससे क्या है हमारे गायों का दूध के उत्पादन में 10 से 15% उत्पादन बढ़ा है और उसमें घी की मात्रा भी थोड़ी अच्छी आती है। तो इसमें क्या हरे चारे की थोड़ी पूर्ति हो जाती है, गर्मियों के टाइम में हरा चारा नहीं मिलते टाइम, और बाकी 3-4 महीने बारिश के टाइम में हरा चारा मिल जाता है। और ये केवीकी की तरफ से ये 3 साल पहले हमने ये लगाया है, तो बहुत अच्छा ये इसका रिजल्ट मिल रहा है हमें। गायों के पोषण में बहुत अच्छा फायदेमंद है।
आपका काजरी द्वारा एक अच्छो छपरो बनायो पक्को, उनमें गर्मी में बचन वास्ते और सर्दी में ठंड बचन वास्ते और शेड तैयार करायो। एंड शेड रे कारण हमारे पशु में दूध की वृद्धि हुई और प्लस उत्पादन में वृद्धि हुई, और काजरी द्वारा सहायताओं वो बनायो गयो। मैं उठे ट्रेनिंग ली थी इन वास्ते और सेट तैयार कर सकूं, और गांव में भी अन्य लोगों ने क्यों कहो सेट बनाओ।
Fourth module is institutional interventions. This module consists of institutional interventions like custom hiring centers, seed and fodder banks, capacity building programs, and extension activities for creating awareness among farming community.
Under NICRA project, KVK established custom hiring centers at villages Lunavas and Purkhavas. The CSC having 4 number of seed cum fertilizer drill machine for sowing of seed and fertilizer in one time. Water tanker for transporting of drinking water for human beings and animals as well as watering in plants. Duster and sprayer for controlling of insect, pest and disease management in crop and to enhance the production and productivity. Weighing machine for weighing of farm produce and young ones of animals. The impact of CSC result in time saving, labor saving and minimizing hiring charges and increased crop sowing area under rain-fed conditions. The current status of revolving fund under VCRMC account is rupees 1,93,000 generated from the CSC equipments.
Under NICRA-TDC project, 61 farmers adopted summer deploying tank silt application and field bunding for soil moisture conservation. 62% farmers adopted medium duration and drought tolerant improved varieties MPMS 17 and RHB 177 of pearl millet, and also short duration varieties IPM 02-3 and IPM 205-7 of green gram. These technological interventions gave higher yield under drought condition. 155 farmers from 6 adjoining villages adopted drought tolerant varieties of kharif crops for economical gains. Under livestock module, breed improvement, ostrich management, mineral mixture supplements, and vaccination interventions have been adopted by 78% farmers from NICRA adopted villages and 182 livestock owners from nearby villages.